Hey everyone! Welcome to Salimat's Holistic Channel, your go-to place for natural health and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into two of the healthiest diets in the world, the Japanese diet and the Mediterranean diet, to find out which one reigns supreme for your health. Which diet helps you live longer? Which one is better for weight loss? Which one prevents diseases more effectively? Stay tuned, because the answer might surprise you. Let's get started. What is the Japanese diet? The Japanese diet is known for its low-calorie, nutrient-dense meals filled with seafood, fermented foods, and fresh vegetables. But what makes it so special? Key features of the Japanese diet: high in omega-3 fatty acids, fish-based diet. Rich in probiotics, miso, natto, kimchi. Low in processed foods and sugars. Portion control and mindful eating. Green tea consumption. Health benefits: reduces heart disease risk. Supports brain function. Helps with weight management. Did you know? Japan has the highest life expectancy in the world, with Okinawa being home to many centenarians. What is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is often ranked based on the traditional eating habits of countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain. It focuses on wholesome, plant-based foods. Key features of the Mediterranean diet: healthy fats from olive oil and nuts. Lean proteins, fish, legumes, poultry. High in fiber, whole grains, veggies. Moderate consumption of red wine. Social eating and slow meals. Health benefits: lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. Improves cognitive function. Supports weight loss and metabolism. Both diets are nutritionally rich but differ in fat sources, carbs, and protein intake. While the Japanese diet is leaner and packed with probiotics, the Mediterranean diet is richer in healthy fats and fiber. Weight loss and longevity, which is better? Which diet helps you lose weight faster? Japanese diet, low-calorie, high-fiber foods equals faster weight loss. Mediterranean diet, healthy fats equals sustainable weight control. Which diet promotes longevity? Japanese diet, Okinawans live longer due to plant-based meals and fish. Mediterranean diet, Greeks have low heart disease rates thanks to olive oil and nuts. Final verdict: which diet is healthier? Both diets are amazing, but the Mediterranean diet takes the crown for its balance of healthy fats, fiber, and heart protective properties. However, if you're looking for a low-calorie, gut-friendly diet, the Japanese diet is the way to go. Which diet do you prefer? Comment below your favorite. Like this video. Subscribe to Salimat's Holistic Channel for more health insights. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.